Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a little spooky Halloween thrift haul. These items I've been kind of keeping to the side until I felt like it was time to make a video, and I feel like today is the day. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sam. Thanks so much for taking the time out to check out the channel. Check out Halloween Happy. If you want to get to know my community, stick around, subscribe, thumbs up the video so that way the algorithm knows that you're interested. I thought it was about time to go ahead and make this video because, you know, I just like when I have piles of things, I save the piles for video purposes, but then I wasn't making videos, but now I am. So some of these things are from like Savers. I don't know if you guys have a Savers where you're at, let me know. I feel like they are way overpriced, just saying. And then also, I want to call it Sister Thrift, I believe. I want to say it's in Wilmington, but I could be wrong. I don't really get out of my Salem bubble, so all of the other towns and cities in Massachusetts, I'm just like, they all kind of blur together, if you know what I mean. Just random other thrift shops that I've honestly forgotten about because it's been a while. I think most of these things, or some of these things, I definitely picked up during early spring, late winter time. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. If you've been around on the channel for quite some time, I mean, I think that I've cut back on my Halloween thrifting to like a normal amount. Before, I was going like every week and I would just get anything that was Halloween, anything that was spooky related. Even if it wasn't that cute, even if it wasn't part of my vibe, I would just grab it because it's like Halloween, I need it. But now, since Halloween is pretty much all year round, considering like with shops and other businesses that we can shop year round, I don't feel as desperate to pick up all the Halloween things, you know? Living in an apartment, like I have no room for all of this stuff. So I really do try to narrow it down if it fits my color scheme, if it fits my style, if it fits something that I can use multiple different uses. I found these adorable little gift boxes, guys. I just don't know why thrift shops decide to put tags on the actual item, like put it on the bottom. It drives me crazy. It honestly drives me crazy. Like, why do you do that? Well, I need to clean them up though because it still has like the sticker rippage on there. I could definitely use these for storing crafts. I could use them for gift packaging. I could use them when I'm vending at a market. My Halloween Happy stationery would fit cute in here, like my little sticky notes, my pens and whatnot. These were $2 a piece. How ridiculous. I mean, but it's fine because I know I will use them. We have this ceramic spooky dish. How cute is this? It's like a ceramic little gift bag. I love collecting Halloween gift bags, Halloween tissue, Halloween cards, all sorts of things. So I just thought this was really adorable with like the little handles. So cute. Love the jack-o'-lantern. I really like the lime green of this, you know? The lime green is lime greening. If you see a Halloween ceramic dish, grab it because you could literally use it for any and everything, okay? Another thing that I like to collect are spooky buttons and pens. Like newer pens I collect, but I really like hunting for the older ones, 80s, 90s pens. So this is from 1994. It has Frankenstein on there, and as you can see, it says, "Your patch or mine, pumpkin." How cute is this? I like putting these on my bulletin board. I also like just having them around like my dresser, just like my other little spooky accessories. So then I can add it to my jean jacket if I want. I can switch it up, switch some buttons out on like my totes and whatnot. Scored this little jack-o'-lantern wired basket. Honestly, the price wasn't that bad. It was $2.50. Normally at Savers, I feel like they probably would have charged like $6 for this. It is insane. If you guys go to Savers, let me know because you know if you know. $2.50 for a basket and it's wired and it has handles, like take my money. This would be really cute, even like to maybe store some bathroom essentials in here and put this in my bathroom. Don't judge me and do not unsubscribe, okay? I just have to tell you guys, this might upset you, might upset a few of you, and I hope that it doesn't trigger you, and I hope that it doesn't upset you. But so I love Halloween, of course. I love autumn. I love Halloween. I love it all. Second favorite season is winter. I'm a December baby. So growing up, I loved December. I love the cold. I love the snow. I love like just the bundling up, the layering of sweaters, wearing gloves, and just like the smell of people being cold and them like freezing. It's such a good, oh, it just makes me feel so good. Growing up, I have also been obsessed with Christmas. I know, guys. I'm not saying more than Halloween, okay? But I'm saying I do love me some Christmas. A lot of times I do enjoy going to the thrift stores, looking at the Christmas section, the winter section, and if I had a larger place that I lived in, I would definitely have a Christmas room. I would. I've even thought about renting out a little space, like a little Christmas booth, you know what I mean? And it would be so cute. I can just see it in my head. But anyways, I love looking for little Christmas treasures, just little things that especially remind me of my grandparents, that remind me of my grandy, that remind me of like just growing up and just really enjoying winter and Christmas time. I did find these cards, and I think even though they're Christmas, I think you guys will appreciate them. This is from the Regal assortment, and I got these for $6, which I think is okay. They are decorated with snow puff. Like, they're so cute. Oh, just the smell. Just the smell of all the dead skin cells of whoever owned these. And zoom in on there so we can see. But look at how cute it is. Has like all this little snow, and there's all sorts of different ones. But I just thought these were too darling to pass up. One day I'm going to have a little Christmas room, okay? All right, maybe not like a dedicated Christmas room all through the year, but it will definitely be a Christmas out room. A Christmas out room during Christmas time. But look, you can just see the snow. So cute. Look at this one. I actually haven't looked through all of these. I love the glitter. It takes me back to school, elementary school, doing like Christmas crafts. I just love it so much. I've exposed myself. I love Christmas, okay? I promise that's all the Christmas that I'm sharing in this video. So you guys know that I'm obsessed with mugs, and I love the old school mugs, like this type of mug. Like, the newer ones are great. The newer ones are super cute, but there's just something about a good old mug, let me tell you. A few little ghosts flying over a little pumpkin patch. Has like the corn stalk. This was $2. This was actually from Savers. The perfect little size, you know? Not that I needed another mug at all, but I just thought it was different, you know? It just has more character. I have another random item that is not Halloween, but it is something that I hold near and dear to my heart. If you are new around here, I love collecting records, CDs, cassette tapes. Usually I keep my selection like Halloween related and horror related. If there's things that I find that are music to like a favorite movie or something like that, I do go ahead and grab it. Clueless is one of my 2 favorite movies, I would say, that I could just watch over and over and over and over. I love it. Okay, top 3 non-spooky Halloween horror movies. It's in my top 3. I love Clueless so much. I have the soundtrack on vinyl, but I found it on cassette tape and I just lost my mind. I still listen to this soundtrack, an amazing soundtrack. I run to it, I work to it, it's just so good. Just something about opening up a tape. My gosh. The fashion, the music, just the times. I love everything about it, and it makes me so happy. I also like collecting VHS. Stay tuned because recently this chair is so squeaky. Stay tuned because recently I've been going to horror cons and I found some cassette tapes, some records, and I grabbed a few VHS, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming soon. In the meantime, I found this VHS, and this is Prom Night with the Scream Queen, Jamie Lee Curtis. Definitely recommend. Also, I know that some of you, not you, but you, no, not you, but you. I know some of you can be pretty picky with remakes. I'm sorry, but the remake of Prom Night does not get enough credit. The remake of Prom Night with Brittany Snow is good. It's scary, okay? Is anyone a prom queen? Not me. I'll tell you that right now. Definitely not me. I love collecting young adult, kid, teen Halloween books. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want to do a tour of like my book collection, but I don't know an interesting way to do it. I just feel like me reading all of them to you, like the titles, would be quite boring. I do collect Goosebumps, and of course, like everyone else, I know that we all had our own collection when we were little, especially with the Scholastic book fairs. Like, don't get me started on a Scholastic book fair. I get emotional just because I remember how much joy it brought me, and I remember I would be so sad if I forgot to ask my mom for a quarter so I could buy some pencils and some stickers and some cute pencil grips. What I really need to do is I need to list all the ones that I do have in my phone, so when I am out thrifting, I know which ones I have, because unfortunately I do get some repeats. But I thought about doing like a blind, you know how they have like a blind date with a book? And I thought about like decorating them, kind of like packaging them up all cute and selling them like as a little blind thing for my Etsy shop maybe. But I also don't know if I could part with any of my books. But these are Goosebumps Presents TV episodes. So based on the hot new series, I wish. The Cuckoo Clock of Doom. I know you want to see the photos, so here you go. Oh my god. The Girl Who Cried Monster. Spooky. Look at that little thing. And then the last one is Return of the Mummy. Did I really pay $6 for these? The reselling of Goosebumps is kind of out of control. You guys remember him? He was in Are You Afraid of the Dark? I forget his name. I want to say it was Tucker, but I might be remembering that incorrectly. He was the younger brother of the main guy, and then he became the main guy telling the stories. I'm stoked about adding these to my collection. The next book that I found is Graveyard School, The Skeleton on the Skateboard. Honestly, thought this cover was fun. A smaller series. One from the series A to Z Mysteries, and this one is called The School Skeleton. Don't you just miss opening up a kid's book like this and just seeing all the advertisement of like other books in the series? Think of all the souls that have touched and read this book. This is called Bride of Frankenstein Doesn't Bake Cookies, The Bailey School Kids. I always like looking in the cover because I want to see if there's any writing in them. Sometimes a grandma will be like, to Timmy, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, enjoy the book. These next two are from the Junie B. Jones series, Boo and I Mean It. Any of you guys read Junie B? It was about her first grade class. Junie B. Jones has a monster under her bed. Found this CD, and it is Haunted Hits, an hour of scary songs and sounds. This one is from 1996. So sometimes, like at a thrift store, sometimes it will just be the CD case and not the CD. And so once I purchased it, and there's like songs, there's like Evil Laughs, Haunted House theme song. There's also songs from Elvira. I get home and I'm like looking at the CD and I was like, oh, let me make sure that it's there because I didn't even check. But I go to check, and so I open it up and I see this, right? So I'm like, oh, I love the artwork of this CD. It's spooky, it's nice. Give you a closer look, like it's nice, right? After I lift it up and then I see this. I think I already have this in an unopened package. This Goosebumps soundtrack was also in there. It's Sounds of Halloween. So I'm like, holy crap, like what a little bonus score I got. I think the Halloween gods were like looking out for me. That was Halloween magic making its way to me. This next and last item is probably my favorite out of this haul. Normally, to my rules that I have to myself, I probably wouldn't have gotten them, but I just thought they were so unique. Another thing that I like to collect is like kitchen accessories, kitchen decor, like placemats, napkins, dishes, stuff like that, because currently we only have like, we don't have room for a table, although I probably could make room for a small table so I could do like a cute little Halloween, like little tableware set. Look at how cute these are. These automatically made me think of the little sweater vest. So, so cute. The patterns are adorable. Came in a set of 4, which is unusual because I feel like just with things getting lost over time, it's hard to keep things together over time. Add these to like a desk. You could even put like your keyboard on it. You could put them on a bedside table and put your lamp and stuff on. Like, you don't necessarily have to use these for the table only. You're using them for some kind of table, but you know what I mean. So that's gonna be it for this Halloween thrift haul. Let me know what your favorite item was. Or don't forget to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up. Let me know how you're doing. If you're new here, introduce yourself. Let me know where you're watching from. You can check out my Patreon and join us over there. And if you also want to check out my Halloween Happy stationery, I have stickers, notepads, pens, all sorts of things. That's also listed down below. I love you guys so much. I hope that you are doing well. I hope you're able to take some time to just take care of yourself and do something that makes you happy. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!